Wait lang. Wala naman tayo. Paano may intro natin? Wala. Hindi ko alam. Wala tayo intro. Hi guys! Welcome back to my... Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, and before I start this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my account.
So this video starts now.
What?
Now.
So guys, meron na naman tayong kalokohan na gagawin. And ngayon na lang ulit kami mag-vlog. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pero ayun, mag-vlog kami ngayon. At ang i-vlog namin is Try Not to Laugh Challenge. Pero, ito naman is yung papanoodin namin yung videos namin nung nakaraan. Yung mga years ago pa, 2020, yung mga first time namin mag-TikTok.
Ay, 2020.
Papanoodin namin yung mga videos namin na yun. And, guys, ayun na lang ulit namin mapapanood to, yung mga videos na to. And dahil nga, wala kaming time mag-vlog-vlog. Hindi, meron kaming time mag-vlog-vlog. Ayaw lang namin.
Time daw eh.
Pero naman talaga. Ayan, sobrang daming videos dito. Na-snave ko noon pa. Na-move ko na. Ayan yung mga videos namin, no? Ayan, nandiyan yung mga videos namin. And papanoodin ko siya dito. Papanoodin namin siya dito. Pero, eto, meron naman tayong tubig dito.
Mabubugalan mo yung
Meron naman tayo. Grabe ba? Paano ka mabubugaw? Ganon. Siyempre dito, kaya ako meron dito, meron naman tayong tubig. Tubig na naman, nagbabalik na naman ng tubig. Ready ka na ba?
in the house, bored in the motherfucker in the house, bored 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 in the motherfucker in the house.
Ay, crush, kung iniisip mo walang nagmamahal sa'yo, eh di isipin mo ako.
This is what fighting is all about.
Ang kulit ng buwan.
Dami ng data.
May ganon? Kunyari, supportive. Para di mapagalata ang plastic. May ganon? Kunyari, supportive.
Ang ganda i-wallpaper.
I think I'm falling in love. She said, what you know about love? So you everything I got, what you need. You can finish the story, get what you want, yeah. You get what you please. We bout to get it on, take off them drugs.
Gotta take the time to cut them off at ease. I know how to make the girl go crazy. Yeah, I'm like, yeah. My baby, my
They think, okay, now to come on, don't stop and keep me going, do it. Let's get it on, move it. Come on, baby, do it.
And I do and I wish I never did. I swear to God, you stupid bitch. Living in the yeah, my baby. My
Just wanna hit some moves. Can you stop calling? Fuck me to the day. Ready for the day. Light me up inside like someone's got to lie. Whenever you're looking.
They were like, why you want like that? Why you don't like that? Why you want like that? I'm like, hey, I'm tingin mo dyan. Gusto mo? Look, pasa ka.
Trying to kill this track.
Papasok ba si Ma? May iba ngayon. Ano naman? Sino may pulpo dyan? Wala. Sir, nasakot po yung tiyan ko. Kumain ako ng fishbowl na isang sauce sa baba na ng sando. Totoo nga to. Salamat, Master.
I'm getting butterflies, but it's really something telling me to run away. Baby, you're the reason why it's so hot.
Hey girl, she just wants.
Think I'm getting butterflies, but it's really something telling me to run away. Baby, you're the reason why it's so hot.
Hey girl, she just wants.
I got plans for you.
My heart is still hurt. Eyes that couldn't treat me right. I'm going hide. 'Cause I'm tired of the fake love. Show me what you're made of.
I was a girl in the village doing alright. Then I became a princess overnight. Now I gotta figure out how to do it right. So much to learn. Look at these muscles. This is what fighting is all about.
Who got advice? Yeah, put that up. Box. She gon' hit the issue first. She gon' hit the issue. Who got advice?
Sige. Twerk. Tsaka yung ano to eh. Palit na eh. Ano ako, boy?